Welcome back, Dr. Zoda here. So, one thing that I've observed in the world today is that a lot of people are just completely distracted. They're focusing on things that simply do not matter: politics, the Kardashians, drama, social media, stuff like that. And they're unable to focus on the things that truly do matter, the things that actually move their needle, the things that actually help them get to where they want to go. I believe a lot of us, we just want to live a healthy life. We want to spend more time with our family, doing the things that we love. We want to help more people on our own terms without sacrificing our time for results, for our financial future. And instead of doing that, we are just distracted and caught up in the web of a tangled mess and just getting distracted doing the things that don't really contribute to that goal. And to be quite honest, for a long time, until quite recently, I've always been thinking quite short term. And back in the 1960s, they actually conducted an experiment um, where on children, where a child was offered a choice between one marshmallow right now or two marshmallows if they waited for 10 minutes, and during which the examiner would leave the room and come back later on. And in follow up studies, the researchers discovered something fascinating. The researchers found that the children who were able to wait longer to delay gratification, they were able to do much better in life on every aspect, whether it's grades, whether it's financial stability, whether it's a good career, a good wife, a good husband, a good spouse, great mating opportunities. All of that is in favor of those that were able to delay gratification. They were able to be patient to wait 10 minutes for an extra marshmallow. And to put it quite simply, those who were able to resist instant gratification in favor of the long term, they tended to do much better in life, exponentially better. And to tell you the truth, until quite recently, I've just been playing the short game. And it's almost embarrassing for me to admit, but my focus was just on going about my day, right? I think a lot of doctors, especially my colleagues, we just go about our day to day and we don't think too much. We just go through our commute, we go to the hospital, we file in the paperwork, we round our patients, and we do the same one-on-one consultations over and over again, and we kind of live in the moment. We go back home, we watch some Netflix, we grab a couple of beers with our friends, we might spend time with our family, taking care of our children, and that's it. And that same story repeats over and over and over again. Now, for some people, that might be their ideal lifestyle. But for me and for many of my clients, we just wanted something new. We wanted something different. Instead of doing the same thing over and over again, we wanted something that's long term, something that actually lasts. Instead of spinning the hamster wheel over and over again, we wanted to think about the long term, the financial future of our family, the financial future of our careers. And especially with COVID coming up, this long term think this long term thinking, it's really just all about the long term. And insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. I think a lot of us, we just want to achieve our goals, our financial goals, to help more people on our own terms, to free up our time to spend more time doing the things we love, to spend time with the people we love, and travel a bit more and experience all that life has to offer, right? We don't want to be in our 50s, in our 60s, in our 70s, on our wheelchair, on our deathbeds, and not having experienced enough of the world. And I see so many of my patients, they're on their deathbed. Their biggest regret is not taking a chance on themselves, not investing in their right opportunity, not taking a chance on themselves, not exploring their own passions, not helping more people with the expertise that they had. And because of this, I've decided to create the Digital Doctor Program, where we help busy doctors build passive income by selling the expertise that they already have. We simply package the expertise that they already have for the online world in order to generate meaningful impact on a global scale, and also massive passive income on autopilot. And since we started, many of our clients are getting amazing results. We have $1,500 coming in over brunch. We have wins after another. We have experiencing your first client. We have medical intern Abigail. She just got one sale every day for the last 4 days. That's $4,000 in just 4 days, completely on autopilot. Meanwhile, she was still actually studying for her USMOEs. So The list goes on and on and on. If this is something that you're interested in, if you want to generate more passive income without sacrificing your time doing one-on-one consultations, without sacrificing your time doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results, then by all means check out our 4-step system webinar, where we walk you through the 4 steps that our team uses to help our busy doctors build passive income by starting their own automated online courses. And this is a very valuable video. If you think this system is going to work for you, simply book a call to speak with my team and let's talk. We'll see if our system actually works for you. And if it does, then we'll make you an offer. If not, no worries, no hard feelings. You'll still get a free 45-minute call with me and my team to see how we can help you map out your financial future. I hope this video was valuable, and I encourage you to think about the long term instead of just the short term and just getting by on the day to day. That is one of the biggest breakthroughs that I had in my own medical career and in my own life experience. Thank you for watching and have a great day.